Well, this is from Newsmax. First Debbie did Dallas, now she wants to do ammo. Western Schultz calls for background checks on ammunition buyers. Now I want you to watch your fist. Yeah, when they pry them bullets from her cold, dead hands. He's a sweetheart. Yeah, she introduced legislation requiring background checks on those wanting to purchase ammunition. Let's see. I'll put the link in below here. Yeah, woven together, this will provide the safety net that is essential to reduce gun violence. Oh man, I'm telling you people, it just, when it rains it pours, and they get dumb and dumber up there in D.C. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it's stupid. It's funny. I mean, how can you say that anymore? It's just that bad. She announced it Monday and was joined by some teachers from the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School. 17 people killed. Yeah, well, who killed them? Let me see the damn video. Not doctored video, the real video. Yes, this is Monday, March 26, 2018. Just want you to know that this is out there already. So don't get upset when you hear about it. I mean, this is... Debbie wants to make sure that you can't fight back. That's what she's doing. That's what she's out to do. She's going to make sure that you cannot fight back. She's in control. Look at those fists. You can tell. Right? Well, anyway, I'm going to put that up, and I'll put a link to it. It's on Newsmax. So you can call this up and you can look it up yourself, so you think that nobody's lying to you.